Welcome to vibvaibcompcares. Today we have received this machine HP Envy. We'll open it and see. The problem in this machine is fans. They are making noise. We'll open it and see what the problem is. We have unscrewed it. Now here it is. As we can see, there's so much of dust in the fan. Maybe that's the reason it's not working fine and making noise. Here we are, guys. We have replaced the fans. These fans are not available in the market. Somehow we managed to arrange them and replace them. This happened because there was too much of delay in getting the machine serviced. Now we have serviced the machine also, as you can see it. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.